Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. And today we are on 95 sleeps until Christmas. It's already going fast. I can't believe it. I know some of you mentioned that you did not see yesterday's video. I'm fighting with it. It is still trying to upload. I don't understand. Sometimes it's like, boom, these things are up and ready to go. And other times I fight for 2 days to upload a video. So I don't understand, but it'll pop up eventually. Okay, so today, as you can tell, we're in the shop and I wanted to show you some of the new items that we've got in, just because it's hard for me to get things updated onto the website. So, and I haven't even popped these on Instagram yet, so you are the very first to see these things. We got a few new earrings in that I think are just adorable. I love these little sheep with the bows. So cute. This one, if you're a Texas fan, I don't know why, I'm drawn to the Texas things. And look at that, the little Texas, it looks like it's made out of barbed wire. Obviously it is not, but very country-ish design there, if that's something you like, which I really do. And then I got these real simple ones that I did up on the ear wires with the little beads on them. This one says hope. These ones say hope, and I've got all different words. There's love, there's fierce, there's forgiveness, all kinds of words. Just there's probably 15 different word options for these. I did several pairs into earrings, and I'm doing several into stitch markers. For the most part, anytime you see an earring that you like, if you'd rather have it done in stitch markers, just give me a holler and I can switch those out. Or if you like the stitch marker type earring clasp, I can't think of what those are called, where they pop open. Miss Amber always has me make her earrings up like that, and then she can wear them as earrings and they double as stitch markers. So that works out really well for her. And I'm happy to do that. I'm happy to put those on that type of a clasp if that's something you prefer. Now this particular one is a post, so that is not something I could do with that. It's a little big for a stitch marker anyway. But this is one of my favorite ones that I just got. How cute is that? I think that is just freaking adorable. And I've got another one that's very similar, but he's holding a little Halloween pumpkin, trick-or-treat pumpkin at the same time. So he's got coffee in one hand and his pumpkin in the other one. I just love these. I did get a couple of these, so I may end up keeping one of those. But the big cool thing that I got in, and you guys, I've been waiting on this for almost a month. I had to special order it. I had to contact the lady who created it and then special order them. If you like to do puzzles at all, check this out. Crochet Puzzle Fun. It's large print. It has over 150 puzzles in it. I think they all do. Yeah, they all have over 150 puzzles in it. And I wasn't sure what to expect because I had ordered that horrible coloring book, and it was a nightmare. But this is amazing. Now, I don't do puzzles much, but we've got word search, and I knew about word search, and I knew about crossword, and that's about the extent of it. This one, they just tell you what letter it starts with, and then you got to figure it out. And of course, it has all the answers. This one, they don't put any vowels in there, and you got to figure that out. Word scramble. So I've got the word scramble thing there. And another kind of it's a granny square word scramble. Blended words, I don't know how those work. Somehow you separate the words out and do the thing. Cryptograms, where you've got the whole line of letters, and then you got to figure out which Solve the hidden quote by breaking the code. Stitch the alphabet. I've never seen this before, where you got to figure out the word here and then get a letter all the way down. And then that creates a secret word. We've got crossword puzzles that don't have any numbers on them. So you got to figure out where the words go in here without numbers on them. Oh, hidden word. Hidden word in here. Worduco, Sudoku, which I love Sudoku. So basic Sudoku. And then they've got word Sudoku, which are letters, using letters from the word provided in each row, column, and 9-box square. Then you got to figure out, I don't know. I don't even know. I don't even know how to do half of these puzzles. Regular crosswords, up and down, sideways crosswords, basic crosswords. These weird little logic things where you got to figure out who did what. There's a few of those. Between the stitches, write in the missing letter to spell each word across. Oh, and then of course these, remember these from school where you drew a line to the answer. That one I know how to do. That's it. Oh, and then we've got some mazes, and they're pretty intricate mazes. You can tell that's not a simple maze. Got a few pages of those. And this I've never seen before. Picture slice. So you take the little thing here and you draw it where it says to draw it so that you can see what the picture is. They got a few of those. And then there's some spot the difference. And I know how to do that. Picture this. So then it gives you an item, like this one says, which 3 items are in all 4 of the boxes? They've got a few of those. I've not done that before. Matching up, which 2 match perfectly. Which picture is not like the others. Hidden objects, it gives you a list of items down below to find in the photo. Matching, riddle thing, and then a nanogram, which I don't even know. I have no idea. Nanograms, also known as pick cross or gridlers, are logic-based puzzles where you reveal a hidden picture by filling in or marking specific cells in a grid based on numerical clues provided for each row. So I guess somehow you color it in and you end up with a design in there. And then it's got the answers to everything. I'm so impressed with these books. So there's a crochet edition. There's a knitting one, and she just came out. I was one of the very first ones to get this. Oh, so that's how a nanogram works. Okay, and this one shows the nanogram on the front. This is a sewing one, so if you enjoy sewing or quilting. It's got, and they all seem to have the same basic puzzles, but they're based on the subject, either knitting, crochet, or sewing. Yeah. Super, super cool books. I'm so impressed with these. I am so impressed with these. I've never seen anything like it. Now Miss Dana from Dana's Wonderless Crochet was telling me that she knows of these puzzles from doing other kinds of puzzle books. I hadn't seen a lot of them, but this is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic book. They are $15 each, and I can ship them, of course. And so I really, really hope that you will. Sorry, had a customer come in. So, super love these books. I think they're a great value. Like I said, over 150 puzzles in each of the books. And what a great gift for somebody. You know, I was just telling the customer that came in, her hands, she does not allow her to knit or crochet any longer, but she loves doing the puzzles. So she thought this was really, really a great idea. And I'm just super impressed with the quality of these books and the value. Like I said, it is just packed with page after page after page of puzzles. So if that's something that you are interested in, or something that you think somebody else might be interested, like I said, great thing to take on a plane ride with you, car trip, things like that, or just hanging out at home while you're vegging and watching TV. I'm very impressed with these. So give me a holler if this is something that you're interested in. I will get them up on the website, who knows when. But you can contact me, you can send me an email, and we'll get one of these in your hands. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.